Axi-Weld Exothermic Welding. Axi-Weld Exothermic Welding is a simple, cost-effective, self-contained and portable process of forming high-quality and permanent metal-to-metal connections. The Axi-Weld line of products are manufactured and tested in accordance to IEEE 837. Through this process, connections are made by a reaction of a powdered copper compound and aluminium, which allows superheated molten copper alloy to form on and around the conductors to be joined. The final connections are electrically conductive due to their high copper content and have strong corrosion-resistant properties. The exothermic welding process can be used to weld materials for electrical purposes, including but not limited to stainless steel, brass, copper, bronze, galvanized steel, steel rail, cast iron, and copper-clad steel. This video will guide you through the procedures for exothermic welding. Please ensure that all individuals use proper tools, procedures, and personal protective equipment to avoid injury. The various tools and accessories required are mold, handle clamp, welding powder, retaining disc, cleaning brushes, mold scraper, mold sealing compound, flint gun, butane torch, and other accessories. Identify the correct mold for which the joint has to be made. Identify the correct weight of welding powder from the data sheet of the mold. Identify the correct brush to clean the conductors or strips. Clean the mold using the mold cleaning brush and scraper if required. Fix the handle clamp onto the mold. Preheat the mold using a butane torch. Locate the conductors within the mold. Close and lock the mold using the handle clamp. Seal the conductor openings on the mold using the mold sealing compound. This restricts the outflow of molten metal during the welding process. Place the steel retaining disc in the mold cup above the top hole. Pour the required amount of weld powder into the mold cup. Pour the starting powder such that it makes a path till the lip of the mold. Close the mold. Pour the required amount of starting powder above the top hole. Make sure the technician has worn gloves and safety glasses before igniting the powder. Ignite the starting powder from the side using the flint gun. Allow the mold and joint to cool down. Open the mold. Use appropriate tools to carefully remove the welded joint from the mold. Clean the joint and remove any excess slag. Congratulations! You have now successfully joined the two conductors. For more information on our range of electrical products and solutions, please contact us at marketing@axis-india.com or visit our website at www.axis-india.com.